Hey y'all, let's get to cooking. Hey y'all, so we are down to the wire with baking for our Christmas celebrations. Here's the recipe for our first cookie. I'll put this in the description box, but you can also pause and read. Now let's get to cooking. We'll start by mixing our butter up just a little bit. Then we'll add our sugar and we'll cream that together. Now, let's add our eggs. I'm going to put them in a separate container, like always, so I don't get any shells in y'all's batter. Continue adding our liquid ingredients, which is 2 tablespoons of milk and our vanilla. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. And then we'll get it mixed together. Now I'm adding semi-sweet chocolate chips because I'm going to add some M&Ms and some sprinkles later so that it won't be so sweet. Now y'all know this wouldn't be a Christmas cookie if I didn't add some red and green M&Ms. So we're going to put some red and green M&M minis in here. Now on a few of my cookies, I like to add a little bit of sprinkle just to add a little bit more festivity. And I'm going to put some M&Ms on top so that they can be very festive. Now if you don't like this much sugar, then don't put it on your cookies, but don't come at me about how much sugar I'm putting in my cookie, okay? Now these are looking mighty festive. I'm going to put them in a 350-degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes. It's all ready. We're going to put in some more cookies and I'm going to show you how to make them in just a minute. Oh, Peepaw's going to enjoy these. Okay, y'all, here's the recipe for Miss Bessie's cream cheese cookies. Miss Bessie was our neighbor when we lived at Fort Benning, Georgia, and she was one of those women who helped me. She was one of my Titus 2 women. And if you know about the book of Titus in the Bible, she was one of the older women who helped train me as a young mother. So enjoy her cookie recipe, pause and read. Okay, so we'll start this cookie the same way we did the last cookie, but we're adding cream cheese as the recipe calls for, and we'll just mix the butter and cream cheese together well. Now we'll add our sugar and we'll cream this until nice and fluffy. Now it's time for the egg, and you know the rule. And then we'll add our milk and our vanilla. So we've got all of our wet ingredients in, and then we'll mix a little bit more, and we'll add our dry ingredients and get it all mixed together. This is really a simple recipe, but it makes a delicious cookie. You can also add a half a cup of flaked coconut if you like coconut. Now my family doesn't care for coconut, so we don't add the coconut, but you can add coconut and you'll sift the powdered sugar on it. I'll show you all of that at the end, but try this recipe. Once you put your cookies on your cookie sheet, go ahead and press a pecan in it. These cookies don't spread much. And we'll bake these in a 350-degree oven as well for about 7 minutes. We'll let these cool just briefly and sip them with powdered sugar, and they'll be ready to eat. Okay, y'all, so my 2 types of cookies are done. I am very happy with them. Peepaw's extremely happy, and we're going to put these in some tins. I'm going to freeze some of the batter for later on, and then I'll put the rest in tins and give them as gifts and have them around the house to eat. You know how we do that over here. So y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you give these recipes a try. They have been in our family for a very long time, and we enjoy them every Christmas. Here's a couple more videos for you to enjoy, and I hope that you will subscribe if you haven't already done so. And thank you so much to those who have subscribed. Y'all be blessed. Bye.